Goldie and I have a fun adventure planned this weekend. We are up in Michigan and we are gonna go check out the Porcupine Mountains. So grab your boots, grab a jacket, and let's go have some fun. I mean, seriously, how pretty is that? I've seen a lot of beautiful sunsets in my time traveling around, but this one is so nice. Wow. For a Wisconsin sunset, that sure is pretty decent. Oh, there she goes. She got herself a stick. Did you get a stick? You bet you did. I think Goldie and I have found our camping spot for the night. Nice little sunset. We'll have a nice view of that. But we have some bathrooms over there. And it looks like there's a little fire pit there. But what I think I'm gonna do is there's that dirt pile right there you can see. I'm gonna tuck the car in right down in here on that little pad right there and be tucked away in here. I'm not gonna tell you where we're at because I don't want to give it away so that I can stay here again sometime. But let's go ahead and get the car parked, right, Goldie? All right, there we go. That's gonna work. Should be level enough. This is gonna be our free camping spot for the night. This is where we're gonna camp out. I wanted to show you from the other direction how stealthy it is. A couple bathrooms there for us if we need them. But look over here. You can't even see the car anywhere. All right, my friends, that is gonna be a wrap for today. Hopefully you had some fun so far from what we've had. A little drone footage from entering the Porcupine Mountains, along the beautiful water. How gorgeous was that? That was awesome. We will see you in the morning. We'll get out and do some hiking, check out some different areas. So until the morning, peace out. Good morning. We're just waking up here, aren't we, Goldie? Oh yes, morning kisses. We're just getting going. Our stealth camping spot that we had last night, where we stayed, worked out perfect. Let's get up, make some coffee, get this day started, and get out and go do some hiking this morning. My coffee's all made, but I wanted to show you a little bit of the sunrise that's coming up behind me here. Let's get out and do some exploring and go check out Lake of the Clouds. Oh shoot, there was a turkey there. On our way to check out the Porcupine Mountains, I wanted to stop and check out this little turnout I seen where there's this sign. I'll show you here in a second that I want to read as well. So let's go take a look. Quite the sunrise this morning over Lake Superior. Pretty. Let's go see what this sign says. Porcupine Mountains. And I see this little waterway. Must be a spring right over here. Let's go look. It's kind of neat. Is that good? I bet you it is. Then there's this trail that goes out here. We're here. Let's go check it out. This comes to a nice little lookout point here. Pretty. She's gonna go check it out down there. Well, let's keep going. Goldie, she was nice enough to decide where that water was to jump in the water on the way back. So now she's nice and wet, aren't you? Driving along, and then I come across this and seen this. A little bat project. Check that out. And there's this old mine entrance right here. That's cool. Certainly no way to get through that now, is there? Well, that was kind of cool, I would say. We better keep exploring. Goldie and I found this other parking spot just down the road from Lake of the Clouds. So we're gonna go check out this hiking trail, see where it goes. Goldie's loving it, as you can tell. Not too many better ways to start the day than a good morning hike like this. Oh, too bad no running water or nothing. Oh, we got an intersection coming and a couple signs. This pin is right there. Right there's a little pin is where we are. And I want to see Lake of the Clouds, so we better go the direction of Lake of the Clouds Overlook and Big Carp River Trail, 2.3 miles. Well, let's get hiking. Come out of the forest and then you come up to something like this. How pretty is that? That's Lake of the Clouds over there. We're gonna keep hiking this way. Oh, we're getting so close. That is absolutely beautiful. I mean, come on, check that out. Makes me smile. Trail keeps going this way, so let's keep following the trail. Maybe there's better views up along that way somewhere that we'll come across. Better watch where I walk so I don't trip and fall. Lead the way, Goldie. Oh, what a view this morning. It's early in the morning. It's a Saturday. It might be about 7 a.m. now, probably. What a view. A little shot of the trail there on the left. So pretty. Porcupine Mountains, Lake of the Clouds. Cool lake, right in the middle of the mountains on each side and all around it. And then if you go over here even further, look out where it's blue there on the right, just over the top of the mountain there. That's Lake Superior. So pretty. What a beautiful morning. That, my friends, is beautiful. Hopefully you enjoyed that hike with us, getting out here. That's so pretty. Goldie and I have been up here, whoa geez, I about tripped. Well, Goldie and I have been up here hiking around for a little while now. What a beautiful area this Porcupine Mountains are, and this Lake of the Clouds. Cannot highly recommend checking this place out enough. Just amazing, amazing views. I mean, look at that behind me. Come on. So right now, I think we're gonna start hiking our way back to the car and find ourselves another spot to go check out, explore, and have some more fun. Come on along, let's go. Come on, Goldie. Just walk along and you just soak them views in. So pretty. Do you find it super relaxing being out here in nature? Just so peaceful. Oh, geez, you run right into me, Goldie. Come on, let's go. Oh, geez, Louise. Just puts a smile on my face having her with me. How many of you have pets? Let me know. Drop a comment. We're back at the car. Goldie, she's laying down. She's about ready to take a nap, I would guess. Kind of looks that way anyway, looking at her. So let's take off. Let's go see what this sign says. Union Bay Landing. Interesting little sign there. Hopefully you take the time to read it. It's pretty neat. Let's go check out some of the views. Pretty, isn't it, honey? it's beautiful up here. The Summit Peak scenic area is gonna have to wait to go view because behind me, that little sign says, "No through traffic, sir. Road closed in 5 miles." What are you growling at back there? Yeah, there's a sign, no through traffic, road closed 5 miles ahead. That's one thing you tend to run into quite a bit early spring car camping is a lot of things are closed. Their tourist season isn't open yet, especially like up here in the UP of Michigan where I'm at along Lake Superior in the Porcupine Mountains. Nothing's really open. So we have to look for free things to do, and I always look for free things, and this was a free thing to do, but the road's closed. So, something we got to deal with. We'll figure something out. We'll keep looking. We'll find another adventure to keep going on. Goldie, we found something cool to go check out. Let's go look at it. She's got to pee right away. Check this out. This is really neat. An old mine. And over here's the old mine site. Let's go look at it. 1895 to 1910. Wow, that's so interesting. Here's the site of the old mine. Full of water. That part of history is so interesting. I just finished reading that sign. Wow. If you get a chance, stop the video, read what that says. How very, very interesting. That's so cool. Well, let's keep venturing. Goldie and I found another new area to go check out, so let's go do some exploring. And this is where we found that we can go check out. So let's go see. Nice trails getting in here. Goldie, there's a sign. We better be careful. Danger. Danger, Will Robinson, danger. Let's go check this old little building site. Wow, that old building's really neat. I wonder what that was, a house maybe? How long's this chunk of metal been here? Wow, so much history. So interesting. Let's keep exploring. I don't know, I just find this old building so interesting. This old structure. I wish it could talk. I wish I knew more about it. Look at that, another old building here. Still a little snow left. Oh, I thought it was an old building. This is an old mine shaft to get down in. That's super cool. Wonder why they would have had that right next to the water. Interesting. Nice, isn't it, Goldie? For sure. It's pretty. Very nice. Goldie, do you like it? That was kind of fun checking that waterfall out back there and checking these old buildings out. That was so neat. Just think how long they've been around. The 1800s them buildings have been around. That is so interesting. Oh, how lucky are we? I've camped out here before. This is a free camping spot. We're gonna get back in here. I think Goldie and I are gonna go take a little walk around this little campground, because last time when I was here it was late in the evening when I got here and never had a chance to take a look around. So let's go take a tour around this little campground. Wanna go for a walk? Take that as a yes. Come on, let's go. And here is another free campsite you could camp at. Pretty decent, especially for free, right, Goldie? I always try to find free car camping. Let's keep going on our walk. Nice little pavilion right there. Nice part, they do have bathrooms here too. Just a pit toilet, but hey, it's better than nothing. Found a little trash on the way back from our walk. Well, there was a little look at this campground here. This is a pretty nice place, especially for free. Goldie and I now, we're just gonna kind of chill out, relax for a while. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.